Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you that while visiting Pakistan, how you can use your foreign currency in Pakistan. I will give you useful tips that will help you in your tour of visiting Pakistan. So the first tip is that if it is possible for you, then you should bring cash with you. That is the most reliable thing for you. You can bring your cash with you, like in dollars, British pounds or euros, and you can exchange them here in local currency while visiting any currency exchange retail shop. So it's quite convenient. In every city, in every major city of Pakistan, you can easily find the currency exchange shops everywhere. So it's quite convenient if you bring foreign currency with you, and then you can easily exchange them in your currency in the local currency. So normally the rates are also quite reasonable, so it's not a big thing to worry about that. So the second tip I would like to give is that you should not exchange the foreign currency at the airports, because normally the rate is not that much good, but this is almost same in every part of the world. So the first thing to notice is that you should bring the cash, and you can change it in local currency in different parts of the city, if you are visiting wherever you are visiting, like Lahore, Islamabad, or any major city of Pakistan. So it's not a big issue for you. Now let us discuss the second most convenient option. The second most convenient option is that you should bring your MasterCard or Visa debit card with you, or credit card with you of any foreign bank. Now I would like to give you a very important tip for the use of foreign card, because in Pakistan not every bank ATM will accept that foreign card. So now I am going to tell you that which bank will definitely accept your foreign card, and you can easily withdraw money from your foreign card into the local currency. It's quite convenient, but you should listen to this second tip very carefully. Okay, so if you have a foreign card like Visa card or MasterCard or Union Pay card, then you can use that foreign card in Standard Chartered Bank ATM. Not every other bank, not many banks ATM accept the foreign card, but Standard Chartered Bank normally always accepts that foreign bank card. So you can use your foreign bank card in a Standard Chartered Bank ATM anywhere in Pakistan, and you can withdraw money while using your foreign card into the local currency. So that is the most convenient way for you. Second most convenient way for you to withdraw money and use it in Pakistan. Now let us discuss it further. If you are coming to Pakistan, then definitely you will be having some kind of shopping. So it is quite convenient for you if you can use your foreign card and directly swipe while paying for local currency. So it is quite easy for you to pay from your foreign card on the point of sale shops, like not all shops, but the famous brands and the shops in the malls, they normally accept the point of sale kind of payments. So you can easily swipe your card and you can pay. But for normal activities in different parts of the city, like eating from the restaurants and normally traveling in local cities of Pakistan, then you should consider having a cash from the two ways which I have just told you, which are very easy and very useful to use. So this is all about from this video. So if you would like to know about anything else, you can leave a comment down below, and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be sharing much more content related to it, and I will see you in the next video. So till then, it's Zubair Kaisar signing off.